We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the ZIUMIER Z20 gaming headset with microphone. If you own this headset, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The ZIUMIER Z20 gaming headset stands out as a popular option among gamers seeking a blend of immersive audio, comfort, and affordability. With over 10,000 ratings and a strong average score, it has built a reputation for delivering a premium experience at a budget-friendly price point. The headset is designed with 50mm drivers that generate a virtual surround sound environment, enhancing the sense of space and depth in games, movies, and music. Users consistently praise the clarity and richness of the audio, noting that the bass is deep and impactful without overpowering the mids and highs. This balance is especially appreciated in first-person shooter games, where the ability to detect subtle audio cues such as footsteps or distant gunfire can provide a competitive advantage. The virtual surround sound is not just a marketing term. Many reviewers confirm that it genuinely enhances immersion and situational awareness, making gaming sessions more engaging and enjoyable. The microphone on the ZIUMIER Z20 receives high marks for its clarity and effective noise-canceling capabilities. The omnidirectional design ensures that your voice is picked up clearly, while background noise is minimized, resulting in crisp communication with teammates during multiplayer matches or voice chats. Several users highlight the improved voice quality and reduced distractions, which is particularly important during intense gaming moments. The microphone is also flexible and easy to position, allowing for comfortable adjustment to suit individual preferences. For those who value clear communication, the Z20's microphone is often cited as a standout feature, rivaling more expensive headsets in performance. Comfort is another area where the ZIUMIER Z20 excels. The headset features breathable protein memory foam earpads, a retractable headbeam, and a flexible headband. These elements combine to provide a secure yet comfortable fit that accommodates a wide range of head sizes. Users report that the headset remains comfortable even during extended gaming sessions, with minimal pressure on the ears or head. The lightweight construction further contributes to long-term comfort, making it suitable for marathon gaming, streaming, or simply relaxing with music or movies. Some users mention that the padding could be slightly softer, but for the price, the comfort level is generally considered excellent. Build quality is frequently mentioned in reviews, with many users impressed by the headset's sturdy construction and attention to detail. The 6.5-foot-high tensile strength anti-winding braided cable is both durable and flexible, reducing the risk of tangling and extending the lifespan of the headset. The overall feel is solid and reliable, with components that withstand frequent use and the occasional accidental drop. The inline control system, featuring a rotary volume controller and a mute button for the microphone, is praised for its convenience and ease of use. The controls are responsive and their placement on the cable makes them easily accessible during gameplay. However, a few users have noted that the control module can sometimes snag on furniture, particularly with certain chair designs, which may be a minor annoyance depending on your setup. Aesthetic appeal is enhanced by the inclusion of LED RGB lighting, which adds a stylish and modern touch to the headset. The LEDs are powered via a USB connection, which is used exclusively for lighting and not for audio transmission. While many users appreciate the visual flair, some have expressed a desire for a longer USB cable to make it easier to connect the lighting feature when gaming on consoles like the PS5, where USB ports may be less accessible. Additionally, a small number of users would prefer an option to turn off the RGB lights entirely, especially if the headset is visible from a sleeping area or if a more understated look is desired. Despite these minor concerns, the overall consensus is that the lighting adds value and personality to the headset, making it stand out in a crowded market. Compatibility is one of the ZIUMIER Z20's strongest selling points. The headset is equipped with a standard 3.5mm audio jack, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including PC, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series SX, laptops, Macs, tablets, and phones. For users with the older Xbox One controller, model 1537, an adapter is required, but for most modern devices, the headset connects seamlessly. This versatility is highly valued by users who own multiple gaming platforms or who want a headset that can transition easily between gaming, work, and entertainment. In terms of value, the ZIUMIER Z20 is repeatedly described as offering exceptional performance for its price. Many reviewers compare it favorably to more expensive headsets, noting that it delivers similar or even superior audio and microphone quality at a fraction of the cost. The headset's affordability makes it accessible to a broad audience, from casual gamers to dedicated enthusiasts. Users appreciate that they do not have to compromise on essential features such as comfort, sound quality, or durability, even at a lower price point. The inclusion of a splitter cable and user manual in the package further enhances the value proposition, ensuring that users have everything they need to get started right out of the box. There are a few areas where users suggest potential improvements. As mentioned earlier, the USB cable for the LED lights could be longer to better accommodate console setups. Some users would like to see even softer ear padding for maximum comfort during very long sessions. A handful of reviewers mentioned that the inline control module's position on the cable can be inconvenient in certain desk or chair configurations, leading to occasional snagging. Finally, while the headset is generally praised for its durability, a small number of users report that the plastic construction, while solid, may not match the premium feel of higher-end models. However, these concerns are relatively minor compared to the overwhelmingly positive feedback on core features such as audio performance, microphone clarity, comfort, and compatibility. In summary, the ZIUMIER Z20 gaming headset with microphone is widely regarded as a top choice for gamers seeking a high-quality, versatile, and affordable headset. Its combination of immersive audio, effective noise-canceling microphone, comfortable design, and robust build quality make it a standout in its price range. The headset's broad compatibility ensures that it can be used across multiple devices, making it a practical investment for gamers with diverse needs. The stylish LED lighting adds a touch of flair, while the inline controls provide convenience and ease of use. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as cable length and padding softness, the overall consensus is that the ZIUMIER Z20 delivers outstanding value and performance. If you are considering a new gaming headset, the ZIUMIER Z20 deserves serious consideration. Its strong track record of positive user reviews, combined with its feature-rich design, make it a compelling option for both new and experienced gamers. Remember, if you have experience with this headset, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. For those interested in purchasing the ZIUMIER Z20, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you detailed reviews. Based on user feedback from across the internet, the ZIUMIER Z20 is not just a budget-friendly option. It is a headset that consistently exceeds expectations, delivering quality and comfort that rival more expensive competitors. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or simply enjoying your favorite media, the ZIUMIER Z20 is equipped to meet your needs and enhance your experience.